always end up forgetting that. So I'm making a point to say it first. He's a CA by profession. He has a subtle humor which is enjoyed by everybody out here in Toastmasters. He loves traveling, reading books, and also enjoys gossiping with his friends. He is very calm and quiet man. But let me tell you one secret. When it comes to gossiping with his friends, he is the most talkative. So let me call upon Mr. Santosh Khandelwal, who is going to give his speech.
While we were kids, mothers were seen to be in the most fearful mode when we got our hands dirty. As time passed and we grew up, Surf Excel came with line "Daal achhe," meaning that getting dirty is fun. Dear Toastmaster, fellow Toastmasters and guests, sometimes biggest learning of the life came from very unlikely sources. And if that's not enough, today I am going to share with you something after which you would be bound to say that getting dirty is awesome. He is 56-year-old, bespectacled with distinguished white silver hairs. He has spent more than 10 years working in a reputed company. But it is unlikely you would ever heard of him. His name is Krishnan, and he worked as a driver in one of my previous companies. I have learned a lot from him. Since it is unlikely that he would be called upon to deliver a convocation speech or a commencement address in a college, and as he spoke to me one morning regarding his life and times, I thought young people sitting over here would be benefited from listening what he has to say. He says, number one, getting a driving license does not make you a driver. He was 18 when he got his license. But it was only after several months of driving a car, he learned actually how to drive and became a real driver. Getting a license is only a permit and not a stamp of authority. Getting an MBA degree does not make you a manager. It is only after several years of working in job or in profession you actually became a manager. Sometimes young people confuse as getting a degree signifies as end of learning. Wrong. It's just the beginning. It's not the end of learning. People tend to forget learning as they come to the acquisition of a degree, but that is not correct. Getting a degree or diploma or a license simply marks you out as a person who is qualified to get learning from practical exposures. Getting a degree does not make you an expert. Number two, the world outside the classroom is very difficult. He learned to drive a car, but his first job required him to drive a little tempo. Steering wheel was different and were different the gears. Krishnan knew that he was expert in driving, but he could not even get the tempo started. He thought that he was an expert, but he couldn't even get the tempo started. And that's where he felt that life is totally different from the classrooms. And that's true for engineers, MBAs or accountants as is with drivers. Number three, Initially, what you learn is more important than what you earn. His first job did not pay him much, but his boss was good. His boss encouraged him to do things, to learn things and to make mistakes. He even banged his tempo quite a bit. While the dents were repaired quickly, but the learnings he learned while in job firmly etched in his mind. In your first job, the pay package or the size of the organization is not very important. But if you get a good job or a good mentor, that's priceless. And that's the basic requirement you should follow. Last but not the least, it is not important which car you drive. Rather, it is important how you drive. Krishnan always wanted to drive best cars, but he never complained about having to drive a tempo or a school van or a transport bus. Rather, he told himself that he should focus on being a good driver instead of getting a good vehicle. And he stuck to it. And he knew that if he stuck to it, he will get good cars to drive. And he got it. It is not important which company you are working. It is important how you are working. Do the best with whatever you have and wherever you are, and you will get the best. Krishnan started as a driver and he went on to own a travel company having a fleet of more than 100 cars. These fabulous life lessons which Krishnan told are enough for you people to make significant change in your career and in your life. If you want to be successful, work hard, get yourself dirty and reach beyond your goals. Dr. Postmaster.